Hello? Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, today we are going to discuss about a human heart. Okay? So, are you hearing me?
Ma'am.
Are you hearing me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, first of all, you will need two different practical copy. One for zoology and another for botany. Okay? And also you cover it with cover paper and your copy must be disciplined. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now discuss about human heart. So this is the diagram of human heart. This is superior vena cava, aorta, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, left atrium, right atrium, pulmonary valve, uh, tricuspid valve, right ventricle, mitral valve, aortic valve, and left ventricle. Okay?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear. Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear. Now? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, yes, now my voice is clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is human heart? The human heart is one of the most important organs responsible for sustaining life. It is a muscular organ with four chambers. The heart is a living pump. It placed between the two lungs above the diaphragm. It is enclosed in a double membrane cell pericardium. Okay. Um, Besides human, most of the other animals also possess a heart that pumps blood throughout their body. Even invertebrates, such as grossophers, possesses a heart-like pumping organ. Though they do not function the same way a human heart does. Next, position of the heart in human body. Human heart is located between the lung in the cavity slightly towards the left of breastbone. It is derived from the embryonic mesodermal germ layer. Okay. Now function of heart. The function of the heart in any organism is to maintain a constant flow of blood throughout the body. This replenishes oxygen and circulates nutrients among the cells and tissues. One of the primary functions of the human heart is to pump blood throughout the body. Blood delivers oxygen, hormones, glucose, and other components to various parts of the body, including the human heart. The heart also ensures that adequate blood pressure is maintained in the body. There are two types of circulation within the body, pulmonary circulation and systematic circulation. Uh, Pulmonary circulation is a portion of circulation responsible for carrying deoxygenated blood away from the heart to the lungs and then bring oxygenated blood back to the heart. Systematic circulation is another portion of circulation where the oxygenated blood is pumped from the heart to every organ and tissue in the body, and deoxygenated blood comes back again to the heart. Okay, now structure of the human heart. Students, are you hearing me? Hello?
No, ma'am.
No?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, my voice is not clear.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear. Actually, there are some network issue. Now? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
শুনা
Now,
পাইছো, ma'am.
now, শুনিছা ন?
Oh, ma'am.
Okay, structure of the human heart. The human heart is about the size of a human face and is divided into four chambers, two ventricle and two atria. The ventricles are the chambers that pump blood and atrium are the chambers that receive blood, among which both right atrium and ventricle make up the right heart, and the left atrium and ventricle make up the left heart. Okay, the structure of the heart also houses the biggest artery in the body. It's called aorta.
Hello? Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see the screen.
Others? Hello?
I can.
How about
I can.
If maybe your the network maybe not good. Okay, the right and left region of the heart are separated by a wall of muscle called the septum. The right ventricle pumps the blood to the lung for reoxygenation through the pulmonary arteries. The right semilunar valve closes to prevent the blood from flowing back into the heart. Then the oxygenated blood is received by the left atrium from the lung via the pulmonary veins. Okay. Now external structure of the heart. One of the very first structures which can be observed when the external structure of the heart is viewed in the pericardium. Now, what is pericardium? The human heart is situated to the left of the chest and is enclosed within a fluid-filled cavity described as the pericardial cavity. The walls and lining of the pericardial cavity are made up of a membrane known as pericardium. Okay? The pericardium is a fiber membrane found as an external covering around the heart. It protects the heart by producing a serous fluid which serves to lubricate the heart and prevent friction between the surrounding organs. Now, internal structure of the heart. The internal structure of the heart is rather intricate the several chambers and valves that control the flow of blood. Now, chambers of the heart. Vertebrates heart vertebrate hearts can be classified based on the number of chambers present. For instance, most fish have 2 chambers, reptiles and amphibians have 3 chambers, mammalian hearts consist of 4 chambers, human are mammals, hence we have 4 chambers. This is left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle and right ventricle. Okay. Now, atria are thin, less muscular walls and smaller than ventricles. These are the blood receiving chambers that are fed by the large veins. Ventricles are larger and more muscular chambers responsible for pumping and pushing blood out to the circulation. These are connected to larger arteries that deliver blood for circulation. The right ventricles and right atrium are comparatively. I can't see anything. Why?
Ma'am,
Other,
nothing is visible.
actually, I can't hear your voice. Please write in the chat box.
Ma'am, nothing is visible.
Why? Others? Others can see this screen? My screen?
Only introduction
Yes, ma'am.
part.
Yes, only
Introduction
introduction.
part.
Yes, only introduction.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can see this diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now you can see this picture. I only share this picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay, the right ventricle and right atrium are comparatively smaller than the left chamber. The walls consist of fewer muscles compared to the left portion, and the size difference is based on their functions. The blood organization from the right side flows through the pulmonary circulation, while blood arising from the left chambers is pumped throughout the body. Now, blood vessels. In organisms with closed circulatory system, the blood flows within vessels of varying size. All vertebrates, including humans, possesses this type of circulation. The external structure of the heart has many blood vessels that form a network with other major vessels emerging from within the structure. Okay. Superior and interior vena cava being deoxygenated blood to the right atrium, pulmonary vein being oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium. Pulmonary artery receives deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle. Aorta oxygenated blood from left ventricle. Okay, now valve. Now valves in the heart. Bicuspid valve, it is also called mitral valve or left valve. It is located between the left atrium and left ventricle. It has 2 cups and flaps. The flow of blood is unidirectional flow, the left atrium to the right ventricle only. Now tricuspid valve, right atrioventricular valve has 3 cups or flaps located between right atrium and left ventricle to allow blood flow unidirectionally. Semilunar valve has three flaps each. Pulmonary semilunar valve is the base of pulmonary artery. Aortic semilunar valve is at the base of the aorta. This valve allows blood to move from the ventricle to the interior and present back flow. Okay, so from the above interpretation, we have learned about the function of heart, blood vessels, what is valve, and structure of human heart. So now you have to draw the previous practical with the notes. Okay, my voice, ma'am, your voice is not clear now. My voice not clear
Clear, ma'am.
now.
Clear, ma'am.
Now clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have to draw the previous practical with the notes. Okay, I'll share the practical drawing and the notes. Okay, you draw this practical on your practical notebook, zoology practical notebook. Okay, I will share some picture.
Share the notes in the group, ma'am.
You can see this picture. You can see this picture. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now draw this picture on your zoology practical copy. Okay.
Okay.
And submit it in your WhatsApp group by the end of the class.
Ma'am, we have to give our attendance to the WhatsApp group.
No, no, no. Here, right in the chat box.
Ma'am, well,
Huh. Write your roll number in the chat box. DRT 004, DDIT 006, DRT 49, DRT 24, DOT 07, DDIT 16, DPT 02, DRT 44, DDIT 09, DDIT 04, DDIT 11, DDIT 13, DDIT 12, DOT 05, DRT 45, DOT 02, DDIT 05, DPT 12, DDIT 08, DPT 09, DRT 21, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when you finish it, then tell me. I'll share you the another picture. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Six, 27, 28, 0, No, you have to draw it now, not later. Then submit your next class. Anyone else?
Yes, ma'am.
DRT only 31 students? How many students on DRT? Huh?
40.
Hello?
Ma'am. 48.
48.
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yes,
7,
ma'am.
8, 9, 10,
48 total.
31. Only 31 students usually class. And DDIT?
16, ma'am.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13. 13 students. DOT? DPT? ওকে, কি নাম? সাইদুল ইসলাম। হেল্ল', হেল্ল' সাইদুল ইসলাম, তোমাৰ ৰোল নাম্বাৰ কিমান?
Ma'am 002 में ma'am he is in problem so he is unable to speak.
He is in the class. Hello Saidul.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am he is in hospital so he can't speak it now.
His roll number?
Ma'am 002.
002. Okay.
হৈছে মেম।
হেল্ল'?
Hello, ma'am.
হা হৈছে ন এইটো?
মেম হৈছে।
ওকে, বাকীবোৰৰ হৈছেনে?
য়েছ মেম।
আদাৰ্ছ?
Ma'am,
হেল্ল'?
no.
ওকে।
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Hello? See this picture?
Yes ma'am.
See this picture? Hello? You can see this picture now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And anyone else left to give their attendance? Anyone else? Okay. No one. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Your meeting will
Yes,
end
ma'am.
very soon. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'll share this picture on in your WhatsApp group. Okay? We have to write
Okay.
this, ma'am. Yes, you have to write
Okay,
this.
ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, ma'am.